I'm going to tone down the gray. Tone it down. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. I have shampooed my hair once again while taking a shower. Why? Because I felt like it. Not really. That's not true. I wanted to go ahead and shower and wet my hair so that I could. Before I tell you what I'm getting through, I want to say thank you. Thank you, subscribers, for your support, your love, your understanding, and all that you do to just encourage me. And I want to invite anyone that's watching this video right now, and you have not subscribed, I'm inviting you to join the G&G family. This is a good place to be, where there's encouragement, love, kindness, and just people spending time together and reflecting on the goodness of the Lord. Now, I was watching a video this morning, and the name of the movie I was watching was God's Compass. It was such a good movie. I watched it, and a lot of times when I watch movies, I might cry, but I didn't cry during this movie. Until the end. Until the end. Right before the credits, they posted a scripture, and the scripture was, "Trust in the Lord with all thine heart, and lean not to your own understanding. In all your ways acknowledge him, and he will direct your path." And then I cried. For those of you that have been watching my videos, you know that that's my scripture. Now, today, I'm going to do something that's a little bit different and really not different because I've done it before. I'm going to tone down the gray. Tone it down just because I want to. You know, people always ask the question, why? And you have to have this deep-rooted reason as to why. I don't have a deep-rooted reason as to why, but today I'm going to tone down the gray. And I'm going to use what I've used in the past. It's the Mofajang hair coloring material is what it's called. A lot of people call it hair wax, and the color name is black. But as you look at it, it's not really black. It's like a silverish color. Blackish silver or silverish black, and it's not going to be completely black. But I'm going to wear this on my shoulder as I put it in, and I don't think it's going to do anything negative to my hair. I just want a different look. As I put this in, and I have it in my hand here, I just want you to know that today has been a lazy day for me. A day when I don't feel lazy. I decided to take a nap and not do work in the house. You know, you can always find something to do in the house. So I am going to probably not concentrate on my hair all over my head, but I wanted to make a slight difference in the color, and already it has. You look at the two sides, it has. And that's what I'm going to do today. I plan to run out to the post office, and also I'm going to go get a pedicure. I don't know if I'm going to get a pedicure first, or if I'm going to treat myself to lunch. Yeah, you see the difference, guys? I'm going up underneath here too, because I just really want to concentrate on the front and give it a different look. And I'm going to wear this black top, even though I'm not really taking it all the way to the ends. I don't want to take a chance with a lighter color top. Today is a day that I'm not only just going to be thinking about myself, but tonight is a graduation ceremony for the 8th graders at the school where I taught. And I'm going to make presentations to the 8th grade students that have achieved an A average for the school year. I've already sent the certificates over to be printed. And the next thing I just need to do is go and present them with their monetary donations from Julia's children. And Julia just happens to be my mother. And education was important for her. I don't know if this is going to be my last year making this presentation, but that was my intention. And I told the students before I left that I would be back, and they have not seen me since I left. But they will see me this evening to make that presentation to them. I am proud of the 10 that have been able to achieve that goal. And I will be there standing proudly to hand them their monetary donations. I think they're going to let me help make the presentation. And if they do, I'm going to ask one of my former colleagues to just do a short clip of it. You won't see everyone. I see a big thing in there. And I'm also going to show you some other parts of my day. I'm not going to make lunch today. I'm going to purchase my lunch. I don't know what I'm going to have yet, but I may share that as well. So you may see part of my day. So you can still see the contrast between the gray and the black, but it's not as much. And I really love this look. I do. Until my hair is going to dry as I do what I do today. I make my rounds. And thank you guys for watching. Thank you for your continuous support. And I am going to wear this hair color until I get my retightening next week. This is what my hand looks like right now. I'm going to do a quick wash so you can see how easy it is to get off of my hands. Again, thank you for watching. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends, my family, my subscribers, my clients, and my followers. But I especially love God because He reminds me of His love for me in so many ways. Like in the movie where the scripture came up and I did not expect it. But I thank God that He reminded me that I can trust Him. He's directing my path. And I will follow and do His will. That's just how long it took me to I started to say shampoo my hands. How long it took me to wash that off of my hands. Have a great day and thank you for watching.
Hồi đó nhiều người tắm suối tắm sông rồi chết hoài. Mấy đứa nhỏ.
still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave? Oh, the land of the free and the home of the brave.
And no message could have been any clearer. If you wanna make the world a better place, take a look at yourself and then make this change. Oh, oh. Na 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 na.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. I just decided to sit on my porch for a little while and then decided I would do a quick video to let you see just how my hair really looks after applying the Mofajang hair wax on day 2. This is day 2. I did it yesterday and you see that clip earlier. But I didn't put a lot of it in there, so it looks to me, it appears that I have gray highlights, and I like that. I think that darker hair does something to make me look a little bit younger, and I can understand that with anyone. Gray hair seems to age you a little bit. And because of how I am, sometimes that bothers me. After the hair wax dried, it had my hair feeling kind of stiff, sort of like when you use gel, and when you squeeze it a little bit, it seems to remove that cast from the hair, and that's what happened. I like the way it looks. This was not my plan. My plan really was to have my hair darker all over, but I like that it looks like gray highlights. As a matter of fact, my customer or client this morning said, I like your hair and that you have those little strips of gray that appear every now and then. And of course, I gave away my secret. It's no big deal to me. No big deal. But I wanted you to know just how it was feeling and the way my hair looked. And I'm going to try to do a 360, but remember that I did not put Mofajang on the back of my hair. I only did the front and the sides and right here. So take a look. I really love it, and I'm going to continue to do this for a little while. And it has not transferred to my clothes. It has not transferred after it dried. I was able to do a 360 on my porch. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.